Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hi. My name's Brittany, my channel name is pronounced Bradderstein, and it is the time of the Scorpio. So, we are here. The 11th Zodiac? 10th Zodiac? The 11th month of the year. We're in November. How did this happen? Tell me that. That's what I'd like to know. Because I don't understand where this year went. Well, when you're watching this, it's November. When I'm filming this, it's October. But still, how? How? It's almost my birthday. And how? So, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, this video is going to be my makeup look inspired by the Scorpio. I've done it. I've made it through almost an entire year, sticking to the schedule I set for myself, and I'm so proud. And this one is particularly special. Not that all of your birthdays aren't special, but this is my Zodiac. It's mine. This one is for me, so we're gonna make it real jazzy. Not that the others weren't jazzy, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm a Scorpio. Who'da thunk it? Do I seem Scorpio-ish? Just based on what I've learned by doing this series, because prior to the series, I really didn't know much about any Zodiacs. I don't feel very Scorpio-ish, but maybe I do. Anyways, if you like this video idea, this concept, or anything about it when you're watching it, give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, subscribe, join the Brat Pack. Love to have you here. New videos every week, hanging out, just being cool, listening to my dog cry. I don't know why he's crying. Are we gonna have an earthquake? Is this the big one? Is this the end of Los Angeles? Anyways, I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me go from this to this, just keep on watching. I gotta pick a palette. I know the color story, but I haven't even picked out a palette yet. Don't know why. Let me get one. I'm really confused because I found some palettes to use that have the color story I want, but I can't find my ColourPop pressed glitters. And I think I have a red one. I need to use it. It's making me very frustrated that I can't find it right now. Wow, I literally looked past it like 5 times and it doesn't even have a red. Maybe we can use this one, but it was a giant waste of my time. Let's get into it. So you can have a giant waste of your time. So I'm going to bring you in right now. Okay, you're really close. And luckily my skin's looking okay today, otherwise I would be uncomfortable. Well, more uncomfortable. But anyway, so the color palette for the Scorpio is dark and mysterious, of course, as we obviously are. And it's like blacks and burgundies and reds and like smoky dokey, creepy weepy stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing. So actually I need to get tape, so I will be back yet again. Let me go get some tape. Okay, we got tape. Got a second energy drink for the day because it's Friday and I would like to pop my heart. Literally. Not really. Aren't suicide jokes? Are suicide jokes still cool? Probably not. Nothing's cool anymore. Good thing me hating my life and wanting to die isn't a joke. I left my mirror. Can I do this look without a mirror? Are we going to make this the no mirror makeup challenge? Because Jesus, I forgot my fucking mirror. Let's see if I can just like do it without a mirror because I'm not getting up again. Okay. Okay. Let me tape my face. Let me tape my face. Maybe I'll film another video today and maybe I'll make it a no mirror makeup challenge. Does anyone still want to see those? Are those still what people want? That's what I want. I just watched Kathleen Lights put up like doing my makeup in the dark and I was like, yes, more of this. Okay, I hope those are even. We're gonna go for like a kind of like a graphic wing thing. I've been seeing this, I don't know if it's like recent or if I'm watching old videos, but like just like a graphic structured wing. Something sort of editorial. Okay. What I mean is it's not gonna be very blended out. It's gonna be very like intentionally blunt. We're gonna start with black because I like to live dangerously. And I'm gonna take the black from the Life's a Drag palette. Okay, so I'm gonna start down here. And I'm gonna start by making a line out from the lash line onto the tape, kind of like if I was trying to make a winged liner. That was very easy, just like that. Now I'm gonna take it from like halfway through that line. I'm gonna bring it back into the crease, but like real low in the crease, just like that. Right now we're just mapping out a shape. It doesn't have to look good yet because it's not going to. It's going to look like this looks very choppy, but I'm just getting the shape down and then I'm going to blend it out. And I'm going to like kind of pull it a little higher on the tape. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to start like that. I'm now going to take the red in this palette, which is called Snatch. So I'm going to start there and start bringing it in and blend it into the black. Start on the black and kind of go on the black and off the black. And bring it in. Right now, looks like trash. Don't worry. Later, less like trash. All right, now that we have both of those down, I'm going to go with a little more black, and I'm going to blend over the edge of that wing now and smoke it and smooth it. Now that we have the general shape. Now with a different brush, but a similar technique, I'm going to take the shade Poppy from this Ace Beauty palette. I've never used this palette, and so this seemed like the perfect opportunity to do so. And I'm going to do the same thing with that red. Okay, this red went a little higher than I wanted, so I'm actually going to clean it up with a makeup wipe and my fingernail. Very nice. You could clean it up with more concealer if you felt the need. I do not feel the need myself. It looks pretty good how it is. I'm going to take a tiny brow brush. I'm going to tip back into that black, and I'm going to like really thinly blend out the wing shape. I'm also going to take that same brush and I'm going to make sure that it's really close to my lash line, leaving that like V-type shape right there. Okay, I like how that's looking. Now what to put on the lid, you guys? What to put on the lid? Okay, I'm going to start by taking this Ace Beauty shade in maybe something deeper actually. Gold. Okay. I'm going to take Ruby from the So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights. Let me get a little brush somewhere. Just loaded it up on this brush. I'm going to use a spray to make it stay a bit. It's rose spray. Okay. And I'm going to fill in that empty space right there. It's like an actual ruby. That's so pretty. This color wet more often, please. Yes. I'm going to take it to about halfway in. That looks really, really pretty. I really like that, actually. All right, and what do we want in the front? Okay, so what I think I want to do is take a silver. I feel like silver could be kind of tight. And I want to take Power Cut. Is that right? Power Cut from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Let me get a brush because I don't know how this is going to be. Hacking that on. Let's see if that's even going to like... No, I don't want that. Ooh, I know what I want. Y'all wait. Y'all wait. I'm going to go in with the Super Shock Shadow in Liberty because I want hella silver. And this is liquid tin. Yes. Okay. I'm going to dig into it with my finger. This is a good idea. Okay. I'm going to put that on the inner portion of the eye. Just like that. Now just wait, I'm gonna do something to mesh those. Don't worry, it's not gonna just be like that. Alright, I'm going to take this little brush that we used for the red in the crease. I'm just going to kind of blend it over those little edges there. Ooh, just like that. This looks super weird, but I'm sort of into it. Does it look cool? I don't know if it looks cool. Let's do a wing. I feel like it needs a wing. Then it'll be cool, or then it won't. I don't know. Should we do a shadow wing? No. Okay, I grabbed my Hank and Henry liner. Love it. Got it in BoxyCharm. And I'm going to... Oh, I have Liberty on my cheek. Sweet. Oh, because it's on my pinky and I'm touching my face. Let's take that off. Carefully take that off. This is the best thing about not wearing foundation is look at that. Pretty good. Okay, now let's do our wing. Okay, I can breathe again. Ugh. Okay. Lower lash line. I feel like this video is a lot longer than my usual ones are. Maybe I can edit it down. Let's look at this real quick though. Oof. Maybe I can't. I don't know. But I don't know. It's just like in a creative space having fun. Today didn't go exactly how I planned for it to, so having the opportunity to film all day. Sorry, I'm taking some glitter off my face. It's pretty cool. And I'm liking how this is looking. I need to fix, like, my base a little bit, but besides that, pretty cute, pretty cute, pretty cute. Okay, lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to start with black in the waterline. I think that, you know, we don't have a lot we can do besides that. So black in the waterline. Let's smoke her out real quick. Connect, see, now it's connected to that outer wing. We're not gonna blow out the lower lash line like I like to, so let's stop there. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. We're gonna go back into the So Jaded palette and we're gonna top that with all ruby because that was pretty. I liked that. So, loading the brush. Closing the palette, spraying the brush, applying the shadow. Something very pretty about that shade Wet, and there's also something very pretty about a shimmer on the lower lash line. Ooh, I like it. Yes. Good shit. Good shit. Okay, so now that both eyes match, we need to do an inner corner highlight, which I want white. White. Matte. White. That is filled with yellow. I'm glad I checked that. Oh my goodness. Always. Okay, so I'm taking my favorite matte white. Juvia's Place. This one. Tap that right there. Ooh, see? Matte white is always good. Oof. And then just because I really wanted some glitter and it took me forever to find it, I'm gonna just take a little bit of like the magenta glitter. It's not gonna match. I want you to match. How do I make you match? I'm just gonna put a little bit under this, right in the center. Ooh, just like that. Just enough to look a little boo-hooey. Like an emotional water sign that I am. Yeah, just like that. Okay, it's fallen a little further than I wanted, but I can scrape it off because it's glitter. Okay, I think this is really cool. Let me go throw on some mascara and a lip, pull myself together, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look. Just a second. Okay guys, so this is the completed Scorpio makeup look. And it is something. What do you think? I think it looks cool. I think it's very different. I want it to be adventurous. And God, this lipstick is all over my teeth. And as you see, I already blotted, so it is all over my teeth. It's a mixture of Lost by ColourPop and Prague by NYX. Very pretty. Just very, very transferable onto my teeth at the time being. For the time being. Currently. Yeah. So anyways, if you are a Scorpio, happy birthday. We are Zodiac siblings or Zodiac twins. We share a birthday. We share a Zodiac sign. Something like that. When you're watching this, I'm probably going to upload this the day after my birthday because my birthday's a Monday and I upload on Tuesdays. So I just had a birthday. I turned 31 on November 4th. 31. And you know, I'm sure it was a good day. It was my first day back to work after Hawaii. My first day back to work after Hawaii is my birthday. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video or you liked anything about it while you were watching it, give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week and I would love to have you as part of the Brat Pack. Yeah, it's been fun. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in my next video. That's gonna be it. Okay.